Just a quick review today, guys. Just to review this product that I bought off Amazon, and it's really quite nifty. So it's Pro Tools 150 set in one. So I'm going to basically review this and show you all these items. There we go. Okay, so everything in this is magnetic. Let me just move my keyboard back. Okay, so everything in this is magnetic. All the items are sort of like magnetized in, so they're not going to fall out all over the place. And then at the top here, you've got a magnetizer, so you can magnetize the ends of the screws, or you can even demagnetize if you don't want them magnetized. You've got different tools here. You've got the prying tools, which basically allow you to pry open like products you're trying to repair. You got this tool here, which is very flexible. It's flexible so you can screw around corners. And we've got this other tool in here, which is a pair of tweezers. It's a really unique set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link in the description down below for this product. It's got the suction cup there. It's got that in there. Let me turn it around so you can read it. So you've got some accessories in here. I'm going to open it up so you can see in here. So little picks, picking tools, so you can lock things open. But it's got loads of different sort of like different kind of shaped heads that you need, as well as this one here, which is, oh, that's not the one. Okay, so this one down here is a magnet tool. So if you've got loads of like screws on the floor or loads of metal on the floor you want to pick up, that will pick it up for you. But I used this yesterday to repair my daughter's computer because her motherboard had broke, so I had to get her another motherboard. Just to let you know, the price of this item was £13.59, which is a real bargain for this type of tool. And I tell you, it's really sturdy. Just to let you know also that this extends, so it's got like an automatic extension tool, so as you can extend the drill set and you don't lose like the extender tool on the socket, and it just like goes back down to normal size. But it's really unique. It's really good. It's got a turnable end, so you can hold on to the top and turn the bottom. When you're holding down on a screw, you're turning this, and it basically goes the way you want it to, without sort of like friction in the middle of your hand. If you kind of know what I mean. But yeah, anyway, this is the tool. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.